Hello my Legion lovers and welcome to a new building video. Finally, this time we will have a Elefant, a German tank destroyer from Zvezda in 1/35 scale. As you can see, I start gluing the drive wheel sprockets to the main body and after that attaching hatch with a misted cement as thin glue. And of course, bottom part of the tank. When the first half of the front is done, I start gluing the front panel to the body, and after of course a mesh for the engine covers as well, and mostly I use just the misted cement glue. As you can see, it is misted cement or 10 seconds glue. Now we can move to the drive wheels and drive sprocket, as you can see here in a closer look, and after that I start gluing the suspension for the wheels. Now I use tweezers for better hold, and of course I made the machine gun for the gunner. Here it is, closer look inside. And after that I start gluing wheels again, lots of wheels like always in the tank models. And we are not done yet with the wheels, just a few of them is still missing. Here I glued the for the town cables, like holders or pullers, to the back section of the tank, and now I can attach the suspension for the wheels. Again, I used super glue, and here I used the classic Revel Contacta glue. For the big pieces I used Revel Contacta, and for small parts or just easy manipulation I just used thin glue. And now I can easily attach wheels to the main body finally, and as you can see it's finished one side, and here I start try the Zimmer texture with a decal, but it ended up pretty bad, so I decided later to switch it to the something new for the first time. And here I just start assembling the gun barrel, or the inside of the gun barrel. As you can see here, I start fitting it to the front armor panel, and here you can see as I start making with a clay the classic Zimmer texture, I thin it to the desired shape and cut the excess, and I tried with a razor saw make the Zimmer texture a little bit more pronounced. I used just the water and that's it mostly. And of course I made the Zimmer texture on the both sides. Here I attaching sides of the turret together, and after that I glue it again with a thin glue to smooth finish. And when it's done, I start scraping the ugly mold line on the gun bar with a sharp knife, glue it to the gun mantle, as you can see, and finally attaching a whole upper part of the tank body here. After that I start gluing the hatches, or maybe rotation for the hatch, maybe adding these small details to the front panel, these little tubes, maybe armor for the gun mantle, as you can see, or gun barrel, and I use the misted cement S, and of course I use the wires for better details, adding this to the gun barrel as well. I use sharp tweezers to position the hatch, adding the holder for the gun barrel here, and adding the thick paste with just a brush, and I use classic putty with a leveling thinner. I add it to the sides, and again I start replicate the Zimmer texture on the sides as well. It was my first time trying this method, so it looks how it looks, but I'm kinda okay with the result. I hope you too, and I hope you like this video, and we will see soon with a painting video of this beauty from a German factory. Bye bye.